Can't get a personal trainer appointment? Don't have time to go to the gym? Recommended for you. Hyperformer. Strength, aerobics, stretching, fat burning, sculpting, recovery, Pilates, seamless integration at home. Hyperformer's folding design allows you to enjoy a morning wake-up call at home. A huge library of exercises. Professional real-time guidance for every training session. AI trainer accompanies you to train. Ensure every movement is standardized and safe. Get ready for a day full of confidence. Digital Motor Drive provides a precise, smooth, and intelligent strength adjustment. Find your perfect weight. The Hyperformer Smart Chip meets the needs of any strength training. Say goodbye to monotonous and dull fitness machine. No waiting, no need to leave the house, anytime, anywhere. You can let Hyperformer shape your body at home. Also allows you to keep working out late at night.
Follow us to join the community of innovators.